The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a legendary muscle car, known for its powerful performance and iconic design. Blazin Rodz has taken this classic and pushed the boundaries of innovation to create Doughboy, a 2,800 horsepower beast that combines the best of drag racing, GT Cup aesthetics, and exotic supercar luxury. Engine and performance. At the heart of this re-engineered Chevelle is a monstrous 540 cubic inch big block engine, built by Ace Racing Engines. This powerhouse is equipped with twin Precision 8385 next-gen turbos, delivering an astonishing 2,800 horsepower. The engine has been strategically shifted back 15 inches to improve chassis balance, optimizing handling on the track. The custom 3D printed carbon fiber radiator ducts and heat exchanger outlets are integrated into the air-to-water intercooler system, ensuring maximum performance and efficiency. Chassis and suspension. The Chevelle's chassis has been heavily modified with an Art Morrison Enterprises setup, featuring C7 Corvette IFS geometry. This advanced suspension system, combined with Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires sized at 325 by 25 R20 in the front and 345 by 25 R20 in the rear, provides exceptional grip and stability. The bespoke metal wide body, designed and constructed using 3D printing technology, not only enhances the car's aggressive stance but also improves aerodynamics. Blazin Rodz has meticulously crafted every aspect of the Chevelle's exterior. The full coach-built steel wide body maintains the original V shape of the Chevelle, while incorporating modern design elements. The custom billet parts, including the fuel cell that doubles as a rear diffuser, showcase the team's attention to detail and commitment to quality. Interior and luxury. Step inside the Chevelle, and you'll find a luxurious interior that rivals modern supercars. The custom billet intake with integrated dual-purpose fuel rails and billet valve covers are designed to clear high-lift Crower roller rocker arms. The dual 10 GPM Aeromotive brushless fuel pumps in the rear-mounted custom billet fuel cell ensure consistent fuel delivery, even under extreme conditions. The interior is a blend of vintage charm and modern sophistication, offering a driving experience unlike any other.